Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about an IPO which is being offered by Digit Insurance. It is a very popular company. I'm sure you must have seen the advertisement of this company offering various insurance products through different televisions in India. The brand ambassador of this company is Mr. Virat Kohli, which is again a very popular personality. So this IPO is being offered by Digit Insurance, and I'm going to take you through the information of this IPO in a very detailed and slide by slide information. Right. So on the basis of that information, you may decide whether you wish to apply for this IPO or not. So, guys, before we proceed with the video, I'm sure most of them know what IPO is, what OFS is, and what FPO is. If you do not know, please pause the video and go through this description because I'm not going to discuss in details about these terms. And it is important that you know these terms before you apply for an IPO or OFS or an FPO. It will help you to take a better decision if you know these terms. So I'm going to discuss this IPO in 8 different points. So I'm going to take you through slide by slide with this 8 different points. And on the eighth point, I'm going to tell you what is the estimated listing price of this particular IPO. Right. So the most important part is the eighth point. So please stay till the end of this video to know what is the estimated listing price of this IPO and how much profit you might be able to make. Okay. So without wasting much time, we'll start the slide and with the first point, which is about the company, understanding the business model of this company. So obviously, guys, as we discussed earlier, this is an insurance company and it has various insurance products like motor insurance, health insurance, travel insurance, and many other insurance products. And recently, I guess they have also started with life insurance products as well. Right. So this company was founded in 2016. It's a very recent and a new company, which is moving. I mean, is growing faster. So, if you want to know more information about what the company does, you can obviously go to Wikipedia or the company website where you will get detailed information about this insurance product. Moving on to the next point, the IPO details. The IPO consists of 1,125 crores of fresh issue and 1,489 crores of offer for sale. If you guys do not know what is offer for sale, please go back to the previous screen and check the description over there. As I said earlier, these terms are very important for you to take a better decision. IPO is opening on 15th of May and the closing date is 17th of May. So if you wish to apply for this IPO, you need to apply between this date range. Yeah, the IPO issue price is between 258 rupees to 272 rupees per share. So you may bid any amount between this amount if you wish to apply for this IPO. Okay. The total IPO size combining the IPO and the OFS is 2,614 crores. Obviously, since it's a new IPO, the face value of this IPO would be 10 rupees per share. Promoters holding as of now is 83%. Okay, moving on to the next slide, important dates of this IPO. The obviously, as we discussed earlier, the IPO will be opening on 15th of May and closing on 17th of May 2024. If you wish to apply, you need to apply between these two date range. The allotment of this IPO, in case if you get the subscription, then the allotment will be done on 21st of May. The refund, in case if you do not get the subscription, the amount will be refunded to you, and that will be on 22nd of May, uh, tentatively. credit, in case if you get the allotment of this IPO, I mean, in case if you successfully subscribe for this IPO, then the allotment of the shares to your demat account will be done on 22nd of May onwards. So you can see that in your demat account on 22nd of May onwards. The IPO listing, the IPO will be officially listed on a National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange on 23rd of May. Okay, so the next important point is IPO lots. The IPO is available in the lot of minimum 55 shares. So one lot is of 55 shares. If you wish to apply, you need to apply for minimum 55 shares. And if you apply at the price of 272 rupees per share, then the total amount you need to invest is 14,960 rupees. So in case if you apply for a lesser amount, if you apply anything below than 272 rupees, then the amount will reduce obviously, but mostly people apply at 272 so that they get the allotment of the subsidy. This is for this information is for retail investors. If you are an HNI or a high net worth individual, then the information is available below. So moving on to the next slide, the financial information over here, let me highlight it for you. The company reported a profit after tax of negative 122 crores on March 2021. Right, so the profit was negative. They reported a loss of 122 crores in March 2021. In March 2022, they reported even higher loss of 295 crores. Right. However, in 2023 March, they reported a profit of 35 crores, which is a break even. So it's a good sign over here that the company has reported some profit in 2023. Also, in December 2023, the profit has rise to 129 crores, which is again a good sign. Right, and the reserves and surplus of the company is also growing year on year, so that is also considered a good sign. Oh, let's move on to the next slide, which is the IPO strengths. Right, the IPO strength is it is a fast growing business. Obviously, it is a very popular insurance company. It is growing faster and it is giving a good competition to big players in the market like ICICI, Lombard, Tata AIG, Bajaj Alliance, and various other companies. They have captured a good enough market share in the recent time. Simple and tailored customer experience. Their user interface is very simple and very easy to use. So that is again a plus point. Focus on empowering distribution partners. They have a good distribution network as well to offer their products. Predictive underwriting models. Underwriting is how much the risk are they willing to accept, and what is the risk measuring methods they use. So we won't go into the details of that, but again, if you wish to, you can go to their website and find out the details. Advanced technology platform. Okay, this is another important point. Digit Insurance is considered a digital insurance platform. So most of their services are digital. They have a platform available on mobile application, websites as well. So various ways of getting their products. A nimble organization with a skilled and an experienced management. They have a good focused experience management team. That's what they say, or almost every company says that they have the most experienced team. And this is a bit of the strengths of the company. So we'll move on to the next slide, which is decoding RHP and DRHP file. DRHP is the primary offering document, also known as draft offering document, right? RHP is also similar document. So if you wish to know more details about this IPO, the details are available in this document, and the link is provided in the description box of this video. If you want to know more information, more specifics about this IPO, more specifics about this company, the business model, their products, their profit and loss, then you need to go through this document. The link is provided in the description. You can click on that link and it will take you to the SEBI website where you will find all the information about this IPO. So, moving on to the next point is the most interesting point, which is the estimated listing price of this IPO. So, IPO price is 272. That is the maximum bid that you can make, and the estimated premium as per my assumption is 70 rupees per share. Okay, so I'm expecting that the uh, IPO is going to be listed at the price of 342 rupees per share, including the premium of 70. So in case if it is listed at this price, then the profit will be about 25%. It's quite a good percentage. Okay, and guys, most important thing is this is only an assumption based on my research and analysis. This is not a recommendation. So you need to do your own research before you make a decision to apply for this IPO. I put a disclaimer below. Please go through that disclaimer and do not take any hasty decisions. Make sure you do your own research and then apply for the IPO, because obviously the risk is quite high when you invest in the stock market. Right. So I've given you the information about this company to whatever research and to whatever research I could get my hands on. If you wish to get more information, obviously you need to go through the DRHP file, which is again provided in the description box. Okay. I being an insurance, since I've been dealing into the insurance products as well, my personal opinion is that this company is going to do well in future. So I am positive with this IPO. I hope you are too. But as I said earlier, make a decision based on your risk appetite and based on your own research, as this is based on my personal assumptions and it's not a recommendation. Okay, so that's about it on this IPO. I hope to bring more such videos in future about IPOs. So if you wish to know such information, I mean, if you wish to get your hands on such information on future IPOs as well of other companies, then please subscribe this channel. I will get more information on future IPOs as well. I thank you guys for supporting, and I wish you all the best with your financial and investment journey.
Please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching.